everyone. We will completing examples on lesson 1, unit 5, division of a line segment. Example number 4. If CE equals 4 and 4 divides AB by the ratio 1 to 2 internally, and the coordinates of A will be 7 and 8, find the coordinates of B. As we said here, the starting point is A and ending point is A. So I will write the coordinates of A, which is 7 and 8. Here we don't know the coordinates of B, so I will write X and Y. And as we said, we write the ratio between the coordinates 1 to 2. Okay? So here we have C. I will write it one time. C equals here X and Y. Okay, X will be what? 7 times 2 plus 1 times X. So 7 times 2 plus 1 times X over what? 1 plus 2. And here 1 times Y plus 8 times 2 over 1 plus 2. Here C, it will be what? 4 and 4 equals here 14 plus X over 3 and Y plus 16 over 3. Here we have the first coordinate equals the first coordinate, and of course the second equals the second. So here 14 plus X over 3 will be 4, cross multiplication. So 14 plus X equals 3 times 4 equals 12. To get the value of X, remove 14 in the other by negative. So for 12 minus 14, it will be negative 2. So the value of X is negative 2. Similar here, Y plus 16 over 3 also equals 4, cross multiplication. So Y plus 16 equals 3 times 4, 12. So Y equals 12 minus 16, Y equals negative 4. Okay, so the coordinates of B equals what? Negative 2 and negative 4. Another example, number 5. ABCD is a parallelogram in which A equals 5 and 2, B 0 and 3, C is negative 2 and negative 1. Find the coordinates of D. Here, first, let the coordinates of D will be X and Y. Okay? If we have here the parallelogram ABCD, A, B, C, D, we want to get the coordinates of D. By using the properties of the parallelogram, we have the two diagonals bisect each other. So here, AC and BC bisect each other. So the midpoint of AC here equals the midpoint of BD. What about the rule of the midpoint? As we said in the previous year, in third prep, we get the midpoint equals x1 plus x2 over 2 and y1 plus y2 over 2. So here, since the two diagonals from the properties of parallelogram, the two diagonals bisect each other. So we get the midpoint of AC equals the midpoint of BD. Okay, so here the midpoint of AC, as we said here, equals what? Midpoint of AC, it means x1 5 plus x2 negative 2 over 2. So here we have 5 minus 2 over 2. And y1 y plus y2 negative 1 over 2. So 2 minus 1 over 2 equals the midpoint of BD. Also we have here BD. B 0 and 3, D, X and Y. So here we have x2 minus x1. So x minus, x2 plus x1 will be 0 plus x, or x plus 0. It's similar. So here 0 plus x over 2 and 3 plus y over 2. or y plus 3 over 2. Okay, so we get here 5 minus 2 equals what? 3 over 2. هنا 2 minus 1 1 يبقى 1 over 2 equals x over 2 and 3 plus y over 2. So the first coordinates here equals the first coordinates here. So we get x over 2 equals 3 over 2. Cancel 2 with 2, so we get x equals 3. And similar here, 3 plus y over 2 equals half. So we get 3 plus y equals 1. Remove 3 in the other side, 1 minus 3, so y equals negative 2. So the coordinate of D equals what? 3 and negative 2. Okay, the last example. Here, if A is 2, 1, B 1 and 5, C 6 and negative 3 are vertices of a triangle. Okay, so here first we write triangle ABC. Here A, B, C. Find the coordinates of a point of intersection of its medians. What the meaning of medians? We said in second preparatory, medians is a line segment joins between any vertex of the triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. It means here we have 3 medians. So the 3 medians in the intersection at one point, which is point of concurrence, as we said. Okay? And here, if we have here a median AD, it means here we have midpoint. Okay? We have here the point of concurrence. Here, if the point of concurrence here, like E, divides the median into the ratio 2 to 1 from its vertex and 1 to 2 from its base. Again, we have here ratio, the point of intersection or the point of concurrence divides the median internally here to the ratio 2 to 1 from the vertex and 1 to 2 from the base. Okay? Here we want to get the coordinates of the point of intersection. It means we want to get the coordinates of E. First, we want to know the coordinates of A and the coordinates of D. We already have the coordinates of A, 2 to 1. So we want to get the coordinates of D. How? What did you notice here? D is the midpoint. So to get the coordinates of D, make x1 plus x2 with BC divided 2 and y1 here plus y2 divided 2 to get the coordinates of D, because D is a midpoint. So here D equals what? Equals 1 plus 6 divided 2, x1 plus x2 divided 2, and y1 plus y2 divided 2, 5 minus 3 divided 2, because D is a midpoint as we said. So the coordinates of D here will be 7 over 2 and 2 over 2 it will be 1. So the coordinates of D here will be 7 over 2 and 1. Here E is the point of intersection of the medians. Divide AD internally to the ratio 2 to 1. Why 2 to 1? Because we said AD. If we said DA, so the ratio will be 1 to 2. Okay? So here we write AD. Here the coordinates of A will be 2 and 1. And coordinates of D we get 7 over 2 and 1. Write the ratio. The ratio as we said 2 to 1. Here again, if we said DA, we write 1 to 2. The ratio will be 1 to 2 because DA, the ratio here from the base. Okay? And get cross multiplication to get the point of E. Here, X equals what? 2 times 1 plus 2 times 7 over 2 over 2 plus 1. So the result will be 9 over 3 equals 3. To get Y equals, here cross multiplication, 1 times 1 plus 2 times 1 over what? 2 plus 1. So the result will be 3 over 3 equals 1. So the coordinates of E, which is the point of intersection of the medians, divide AD internally to the ratio 2 to 1. Its coordinates equals what? 3 to 1. Okay, thank you.